Welcome to our in-depth review of the Vortex Diamondback HD 8x42. We'll cover its pros and cons, specifications, and customer ratings by feature to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Be sure to check the link in the description for more details. Let's get started. Step into the wild with confidence and clarity. The Vortex Diamondback HD 8x42, one of the best binoculars for outdoors and a trusted companion for adventurers who demand performance, durability, and stunning optical precision. Built for birdwatchers, hunters, and nature lovers, these binoculars elevate every moment with vibrant detail and dependable ruggedness, making them a standout choice for anyone exploring wide-open landscapes or dense forest trails. With 8x magnification and 42mm objective lenses, the Diamondback HD delivers crisp, high-resolution views that bring distant subjects into sharp focus. Its HD optical system uses select glass elements engineered to reduce chromatic aberration, ensuring every image is bright, clear, and filled with true-to-life colors. The fully multi-coated lenses enhance light transmission by applying anti-reflective coatings to all air-to-glass surfaces, while the dielectric-coated prisms boost contrast and ensure exceptional low-light performance. Ideal for sunrise birding or dusk wildlife observation, durability is one of the Diamondback HD's strongest assets. The exterior is wrapped in rugged rubber armor that offers a secure, non-slip grip and the strength to withstand bumps, recoil, and rough handling. Lenses stay protected with ArmorTech coating, which resists scratches, oil, and dirt, making the binoculars reliable in dusty, muddy, or unpredictable environments. Argon purging and O-ring seals guarantee waterproof and fog-proof performance, so sudden weather changes never stand between you and your view. Comfort is built into every detail. Adjustable twist-up eye cups accommodate users with or without eyeglasses, while the center focus wheel provides smooth, precise focusing for both barrels simultaneously. A right-eye diopter offers custom adjustment for vision differences. For extended sessions, the Diamondback HD is tripod adaptable, adding stability for long-range observation or steady viewing from a vehicle window mount. Every purchase includes the convenient glass pack harness for easy carrying, and perhaps most impressive, Vortex backs this binocular with an unlimited, unconditional lifetime VIP warranty, a bold promise of long-term reliability. What we like. 1. Exceptional HD clarity with bright, color-accurate images. 2. Rugged, waterproof, fog-proof build designed for harsh outdoor conditions. 3. Comfort-focused design, ideal for long viewing sessions. 4. Lifetime VIP warranty that provides unmatched peace of mind. What we don't like. 1. Slightly heavier than some compact alternatives. 2. Tripod adapter sold separately for certain setups.
Product specifications. Customer ratings by feature.